Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to scan QR code with Google Lens or Google Camera. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open up our Google application on our phone. So this is my Google application and I'm going to click on it. And after that, we can click on this camera icon to open the Google Lens. Okay, and click on this camera icon again, and you can start to scan the QR code. For example, I'm going to scan this QR code, and this is the result. So this is the link of the QR code that I have scanned. And we can also upload a photo from our device. So we just need to do the same step and click on the QR code from your device that you want to scan with Google Camera. And I'm just going to scan this one. So this is the QR code of my Instagram, and this is my Instagram link. And I guess that's how we can scan QR code with Google Lens or Google Camera. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.